Oh, hey there. My name's Sarah, and I'm going to be sharing with you how and what to pack into your carry-on sized bag. Just one for your week-long cottage camp trip, whatever it may be. And I've got some great tips and tricks for you. I've been doing this for the past few years. If you're just looking for a nice time lapse or stop motion, because that's what's coming next, come pack with me. Big tip here for my friends who are loved by the mosquitoes. You'll notice that I'm bringing a light pair of sweatpants. Mosquitoes aren't attracted to lighter colored clothing, so if you don't want to get bit by the fire while you're roasting your yummy marshmallow, bring lighter colored clothes. Another great tip here if you hate sunscreen. I know there's a lot out there that aren't that greasy, but I find it's just easier if you get a sun shirt. I got mine from Mountain Equipment Co-op, but I'm sure there's a lot online that you can find as well. You'll notice that most of my shirts are cotton. When you don't have air conditioning, you definitely want something breathable, so try to get cotton clothing. You will thank me. When I am using sunscreen like on my legs and my face, I use Derma E. I started using it last summer. It's a mineral sunscreen, so it's chemical free, 100% vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, and safe for the reef. Not that I'm going to be near a reef, but if you are, good thing to know. Back to our lovely friends, the mosquitoes. If you don't want to get bit by the fire, get a pair of long, thick socks. This is also great if you're going through kind of higher brush and you don't want to get irritated skin. Cute donut pool floaty? Check. You need extendable roasting sticks for s'mores. Duh. I like to bring a pair of cheap sunglasses because I have prescription ones that I don't want to ruin when we're kayaking, as well as an e-reader and 3DS for when it's raining and you're stuck inside. I like to wear a flowy dress in the car for ultimate comfort, plus it won't get creased. Let me know in the comments, are you a light packer or an overpacker? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!